again and all these things. Okay, you people just work on these things. Whenever if you really have any of the other questions, okay, we can still have more discussion on this. Okay.
Shri Krishna, I had one question.
Yes.
We had not covered the custom rules, not rules, the functions in time management. So, are we doing to do that later on?
Oh no, I will explain payroll. See why I have taken a custom function.
Uh huh.
Explaining is because the payroll which we are taking is a international. Okay, so if you are talking about time, okay, almost there won't be requirement if you really
No,
know
no,
about the
there is
stuff.
requirement. I asked you one question. I mean, I've asked you twice already. That if I want to see if I'm running the time evaluation, say for future period or before our current system state. So how do we do that?
Uh,
How do we
I
find that
will
out?
check and I will let you know how we can do it within the existing one because I am not really getting the time to check. Okay, you just drop a mail today. I will
Okay.
check this and I will let you know. Apart from that, even see, I am not telling that it is not really required means it is not like 100%. Let us say if you want to get the data from any of your custom info types, okay, then also there will be a requirement to write a operation or there will be
Yeah.
a
So as a functional consultant,
I will explain you
yeah.
what I am going to give. See, if you see my course content, what we are agreed as of now, okay. So these are the functional things which we agreed to have in the session.
Okay.
Okay. So if you are talking about the out of scope topics, these are the ABAP related topics where I agreed to, explain the payroll function.
Okay.
Okay. Why? Because we are going to work on a international task. Right. Similarly, if I am explaining this, the same thing you can, take help of you ABAP. Okay. This is the process. So now I want to create a time function. Okay. Then we can create it in the time machine.
That's what I wanted to know.
Or if you require, huh,
Yeah, what I wanted to know was that as a functional consultant, what all things we need to give as input to the mapper, and how do we do it?
that you will get it when I will explain you how to create a payroll function.
Okay, all
The
right.
function will be similar, okay? The
Okay,
characteristics will be differed for payroll requirement.
okay, okay, all right.
When I explain you about the payroll function, you will get all these things.
Okay, okay, all right.
So if you want to see few of the outlines, like you know, this is where we will create a function, okay, or an operation.
Correct.
Okay, that depends. It is a payroll or time. It is a function or operation. Okay. So when you create, let us say I will take a example. I think I have created some of the functions. Let us say if you go, to create the things, you have a country, selection options for the payroll function. Okay. So there will be a form, generated by system, or you can define your own form. From
Okay.
here, whenever I am explaining you, the ABAPer will understand more better than us,
Okay, okay.
right? Us means functional. Okay.
Okay.
So then this will be actual these routines. By default, you have few of the include program. I think for the time there is a separate include program for payroll. You have a include program and all this stuff where you will put a I think logic over there.
Okay.
So whenever I am telling about a function, okay, you will understand how to create the time one as well.
Okay.
Okay, the only thing you have to do is you have to take help of ABAP. Right, Shweta?
Yeah.
You have input parameters, output parameters. These are things I will explain you. Okay,
Okay.
how will what will be IT, RT. You will get input and output what you require.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
All right.
so all this stuff I will explain when I am explaining what are the things. So the
Okay,
same
okay.
thing we can work for the remaining function, time function.
Okay, okay.
In general, Krishna, if this is a scenario, you create the function, create this function, and as a okay, this is the farm name. This include you go and code it. How do you tell them?
Uh,
Okay, so
See, actually, in real time also, this function creation also not done by functional guy. It should be with a technical guy only.
uh, that
Because
means
let us say functional guy came here and he created until here he saved it. Okay, the total payroll won't run for anybody. The driver won't run, right? We will get a dump
right.
because this particular form was missing. This form is no functional will understand what is form. As of now, I think you and me know here, like we have a form routines where we will define for different, purposes, right? So it is not the functional guy. Only functional, why we are tell is, really if the ABAPer is not, into work anytime in the payroll PCRs and all this stuff, at that time we have to, guide the technical guy. So this will be the function. So this will be the things. Here is the code. So please work on this. So then he will understand few of the things. Then he will start building the logic. That's what I
So
mean.
basically, they should know what is the IT and RT to Abacus, right? Because yeah, in my case, I can understand, but if I'm giving to Abacus, I want to
We have to
include.
explain. That is what functional has to explain what is ITRT.
Okay.
Okay. That is what my best. Whatever here, what I will tell you, I will tell you the standard procedure and all this stuff. I am not going to explain more about the ABAP coding. Okay. So I will help you out until where what are the things we have to explain to ABAPer so that we can get the things done by that. Okay. So these are the things which are unique for payroll and time. Okay. So that's what I want to help you out. So then you can create your own functions or objects.
Okay.
Right, Shweta?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Um, Okay, so factoring is the part which we completed, so you can get back to the things, if you work on those things, if you have any questions, we can have discussion on that. So today what I want to explain you is, the time data, okay, especially, the uh, schema XT00, okay, so if you, this is the copied one, we have a time data which is XT00, okay, which is very important one again, similar to our factoring one. Okay, so ideally if you see the factoring over here and the time is above the factoring, okay, ideally time data will come first. Okay, so many of the time data will be input for factoring. If you see unauthorized absence we have taken, right, unauthorized absence came from your time data, then went to the factoring and reduced the salary like that. Okay. Okay, but most of the other things are independent when you discuss on these things. So we'll just go through the basics of this XT00, what it will do for industrial workers, what it will do for salaried employees. Okay. So today I will just explain you like uh, actually the topic here is to evaluate the overtime. Okay, or time wastage. Okay, that is what we will discuss. Like I will tell you one example for an industrial worker and one example for a what you say salaried employee. Okay, let us say industrial worker and a salaried employee. Okay, so as I mentioned, for whatever the basics you will maintain. Okay, for industrial workers it will be rate, that is per hour rate. Okay, rate per hour. Okay, for salaried employees it is monthly amount. Okay, right. Now let us say for industrial workers, you have, let us say, overtime. Okay, so let us say here we'll just take a example, like we'll just then we have uh, overtime. This will be hours, right? So overtime we have employee worked for say some 10 hours for the week. Okay, so now you will pay, because this is a straightforward rate from his basic salary. We straightforward multiply this with this. You got it? Overtime. So let us say for salaried employees we don't have overtime. Let us say, but we have something like uh, so let us say we'll take the same example. Let us say for uh, uh, you know uh, for salaried employees, if you want to calculate the overtime. Okay, so now for the salaried employees, what it will happen, you have a basic salary, you have a HRA, you have a means I am taking a India example here, okay, where we'll have multiple wage scales. If you go for US or any of the countries, they will have base salary, okay, or one or two components max. Okay, so let us say if you have these components, let us say you have, and just take small values, 10,000, say 5,000, say 5,000. So his total base salary is this much, and this is not the rate. So now how you will evaluate the hours for salaried employees? Okay, so client will tell that my overtime, okay, I have leave encashment or something like that, okay, or any of the time relevant thing. Okay, let us say client will tell that my overtime should be based on basic and HRA. Okay, so let us say we'll maintain some of, let us say we have 189 hours per month, for example. Okay, this is the hours actually for this example employee. So that is what I am taking. So now what I will do to calculate per hour rate. So if these are the two base things for my calculation. So first what I have to do, I have to add these two things, right? Basic and HRA. Now I got 15,000 of his monthly, okay, base salary for calculation of overtime. So if I divide this total amount with number of hours in the month, right, I will get a per hour rate for this. Okay, so then let us say again the same 10 hours, there is a overtime. Now
Can't
employee will get,
can't we divide by number of days in a month, working days?
if you are getting number of hours,
Okay.
so how you will evaluate this? You have to get number of hours only,
Okay. Okay.
per hour rate.
Okay.
And let us say if you want to evaluate days also, we can do it. So I am just explaining the standard functionality, okay, how
Okay.
it will work and why it is there.
So this will come from info type 7, right? 189?
Yes,
Okay.
but not from info type 7 directly, it is from info type 8, okay, which will be updated from info type 7. So
Okay.
finally the value will be taken from info type 8.
Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah.
You will see that as well.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the two major things which will happen for rate calculation only. Okay, first we will discuss about the rate calculation, then we will discuss about the valuation. Okay, so that is the importance of rate first. Okay, per hour rate we require. Okay, sometimes let us say we have some other thing for a you can say within the salaried employees, let us say there is a different group of employees where client wants to take the base amount as basic and special elements. Let us say we'll change this as well. We'll take this as those employees. So for those employees, client wants to take the value basic plus special. Okay, these two components should be the base amount to pay for the employee. So then only 11,000 will be divided with this. This is a different rate for a different group of employees, and this is a different rate for a different group of employees. Okay, so first what I want to explain is to store this rate we have SAP had given with /001, and 002. Okay, 002 and 3s, right? Okay, so these are the base steps which will be defined in SAP to store the per hour rate for the employee. Okay, so first we'll go for the industrial worker. I will just show you how it will happen and what are the PCRs involved. Okay, so going inside the XT00. Okay, so today we will discuss these PCRs. Okay, T00. We'll just delete this. Even if I am deleting few of the standard things, it will allow me to delete if I do the changes. Okay, and it will revert from your golden client repository. Okay, so now I will copy this because we are going to change uh, copy to Z00. Okay, so the PCRs X010, okay, and X013, okay, will involve to capture the rate for the particular employees. Okay, so first we'll just see what these PCRs are doing. Okay, the first one X010. Okay, if you see here the addition one, if you come to my Excel, whatever I have done here, so what wastage I have to add. Okay, basic HRA or basic special or all three. Okay, that will be done in X010 PCR. So we'll just go to the PCR here. Okay, come back and you can see the here P01. Okay, this rule with parameter 2 was defined with P01 stands for this rule is based on your processing class 1 and its specification. Okay, so if you go back, go into this rule. Okay, so if you see there is a difference for industrial, okay, and the salaried one. Okay, so now both the things will evaluate the processing class 1 for all the waste types. Okay, and it will add the values. Let us say now it will be again without modifying the PCR. You will go to your processing classes for your three waste steps. You will take a your processing class table and let us check with your all the base waste types. Okay, since we have only two waste types, we will just work on this. Okay, so let us say we have, so valuation basis you have processing class 1. So here if you have yes, okay, we'll go to 3. Okay, so the let us say you got the basic salary over here for industrial workers, or you can say salaried employees. Both will be the same. It will go to check the specification 3, and the same amount will be added to /001 and 002 as well. Okay, so we'll just go through the Excel like how it will do. Okay, so because it is the rule is the basic should add. Okay, to you can see here you can say 001 and 002. So it will add the base here in 001 and 002 as well. Okay, Okay, then let us say if you got a 0200, okay, which is your say, let us go for the HRA. Okay, HRA here it is mentioned only one. Okay, so if it is mentioned only one, okay, it will go here. Okay, it will add only to 001. Okay, so let us say you have now HRA. I think this was ruled out. So if you have HRA, it will add only in the place of 001. So now slash 001 will become the sum of these two. Okay, and slash 002 will remain with 10,000. Okay, so 189 hours are fixed. Okay, and you can have a multiple rates for evaluating different components. You have a rate, one of the rates stored like 52 in this slash 002, and the other one, okay, you can say, right, and it will be something 179. Okay, let us say overtime will be paid like this. Some other things you want to pay with a different rate. So that is the reason we have two different wastage. It will be stored out. Okay, so just we will see with a within the log how it was calculating with the real value, so that we will get a idea on this one. Okay, so then let us say once you got the amount, okay, how the rate will happen. You have X013, okay, is the PCR, which will calculate the rate again basing on your processing class 1 itself. Okay, now if you see the processing classes, okay, so for remaining wastage we have one and all this stuff, correct? Okay, so if you see here, for salaried employees, it will evaluate processing class. Any of the processing class, it won't do anything. It will add as it is, because for industrial workers, whatever the values are there in the amount place, that is already a rate. So nothing to worry about the industrial workers for rate calculation. Okay, this PCR will finally calculate the rate. So if you have multiple rates for basic, HRA and all this stuff, so finally it will get a complete rate for that employee based on that. If you see for the salaried employees, okay, so it will be deferred for star like 1, 2 or 3, right? It won't do anything. Only if the specification is 5, okay, then it will do a calculation. Okay, so 5 will be there for the wastage which are used for valuation, like slash 001 and 00. For all remaining wastage, it will be some other thing. Okay, so by default it will be 5. You can see this is the standard thing, so we didn't modify any of that.
Sorry, can you please
Here
explain this
itself, in
five
text
once?
itself, you can, pardon?
Can you please explain this five
Yeah,
once? Yeah, five.
I didn't get you, Shweta. Can you repeat, please?
Can you please repeat this five once?
Yeah. See, this second PCR, you can say it will check the processing class only for 5. Okay, for remaining it won't do. And the 5 was assigned only for slash 001 wastage.
Okay.
Okay. Let us say if I am coming back to this Excel. Okay. Now these two wastage stored with amount first. Okay, before you capture the rate. Okay. I'm just deleting. So until now X010 PCR calculated the rate. One is 15,000, the other one 002 is say 10,000.
Okay.
Okay, so now how to divide these two? Okay, that is again these two wastage will be having what you say uh, processing class 1 as 5. So for these two wastage, this will be the logic happening. Okay, here rate is equal to their rate they are taking as T SDI VP, which is you know hours in the particular period. Like as I said, from info type 8 we have uh, working hours per period. Okay, then there is a divide. So whatever the amount you have, like 15,000 you have for the, let us say if this pay step is in the loss, let us say if you have 15,000, so it will divide the amount 15,000 divided by this, right? Say for /001. Okay, so now once even it will run for /002 as well. So then rate remains same for that employee. Okay, but the amount differs because /008 to contains only 10,000. Okay, 0 is equal to amount means now we want only rate. We don't require amount in these particular two way steps. Okay, that is the 0 is equal to amount. So finally only rate remains and it will add. Okay, I think we'll just run the time evaluation for both the employees, sorry, payroll, and we'll see the functionality. Maybe that will be more. I think first I have to correct few of the data for this particular employee. Okay. So here ideally we have to maintain the monthly amount, sorry, rate for the employee. Let us say I will take a example of 200. Okay, 200 will be the hourly rate for this employee. Okay, so let us say if you take a salaried employee.
Krishna, I think you need to have base salary and you will calculate the rate, right? Not you put the, okay, different one. Okay.
No, that is the industrial worker expert. Yeah. So that is why we are taking both the cases to have a more clarity on this. Okay. So I think here I have put 200. Let it be. Okay, 200 will be a simple one to understand. Okay. So this is the field where it will take the rate for calculation. Okay. So now for the first we'll check for the industrial worker because nothing that is a simple one for us as of now. I don't know. Okay, let us say if I am running for this employee, okay, who is an industrial worker. Okay, so as I said, because he is an industrial worker, you can see the difference after the WBP function where the whatever the value you maintain in input type 8, it will store as a rate itself here. Okay, it won't store as amount or number. Okay, it will be rate by default. Okay, that is the first key point we should remember. Then you have process time data. Okay, here you can see X010, right? If you see the input, you will be having only one your base salary with a rate. Okay, you don't have a amount. Okay, so if you see the process as we discussed, valuation for industrial workers. Okay, okay, processing class for this particular waste step. I think this is a different waste step which will take. Okay, let it be. So for that waste type, that is waste type code is 1000. So for that it was maintained as processing cost maintained as 1. So it is only adding to /002. Okay, if it is 2, it will only add to 002. If it is 3, it will add to 001 and 002. Okay, we'll have a real-time example to understand this. Okay, after this part. Okay, so now if you see the output, so the same rate which is there the same industrial worker, you will tell per hour rate for basic salary is 200. Let us say they have some, fixed allowance, fixed regular allowances for the employees, where they have a rate of 100 per hour for that element. Okay. So now you want to pay employee overtime basing on the both the entries. Okay. So if accordingly you have to maintain your, for the second wage tab, let us say 2000, you have to maintain again one only. So then your /001 will become 300. Okay, your basic rate will be 200, your special allowance or, fixed regular allowance, whatever it is, it will be 100. So your total per hour rate will be 300. Okay, so this is X010. If you go to X013, it won't do anything because it is already a rate. It is no need to do anything over here. It won't do anything. Okay, it will evaluate whatever the process that is there for industrial workers, and it will add it. So now you got hourly rate where you can evaluate. Let us say now you got hourly rate as 200. Let us say employee worked for 10 hours. You will pay 10 into the rate 200. Okay, so that is for the industrial workers. Okay, going forward we'll work on both. Okay, we have to evaluate overtime and all this stuff for these industrial workers. Okay, so that also we'll look. So the typical part is like for salaried again. Okay, to calculate a rate. You see for the salaried, I think we'll just clear this Excel. We'll just try to put the actual value. Okay, so now we can see the things from here. Okay, I think we have split also. I think we will better remove the split to understand, the logic correctly. Okay, so you see here we have base salary and HRA. Okay, now you have this is base, this is HRA. Okay, so now for this base salary, what it was happening is, let us say we'll put some /001 over here, and okay, /002. Okay, now if you go to the process, so it will read for the basic, your rule will read for the basic salary, checking his uh, you know processing cost 1, where we have mentioned as 3, right? So the value will be adding to /001 and 002 as well. So for this, it will add to this one as well as this one also. Okay, so now after this rule, your 001 will be stored with 80, 002 will be stored with 80. Okay, so then you have your rule will read again for HRA as well, right? So for HRA, how it was reading, so because it is only mentioned as 1, it will add to /001 only. Okay, so now what it will happen, this will add to only this rule. Adding means over here means it is adding to this 80,000. Previously basic /001 is 80,000, so it will add to 80,000. Okay, so it will become, okay, 1,000. And finally it is not adding anything, so it will remain 80,000. Ideally, your X010 will PCR will club the values, okay, basing on your specification one. Okay, so we'll just see the output. Right, you can see the same values, okay, what we have just discussed, right? 100. Okay, so that is one part, like X010. So now we will get to X013. Okay, it will take the same input where you have /001 and 2 wastage generated. Okay, still these are amounts. Okay, we didn't get the rate. Now this PCR will calculate the rate. Okay, so if you see for this PCR won't run. Okay, because the specification is different for processing class 1. It will read only for 001 and 002. Why? Because for these wastage we have already the processing class 1 was maintained as 5. Okay, so 5 stands for it will recognize these are the rate wastage, means valuation wastage. Okay, then it will take the SDAVP number of working hours from your input type 8, okay, which is 200. Okay, so which will be divided with the amount. Let us say whatever the amount you have in /001. Okay, so in /001 you have this amount. Okay, and number of working hours per period we maintain in input type 8 as 200. Okay, so this will be divided with number of hours. Okay, now the per hour rate is around 730. Okay, similar thing will happen for this as well. That is /001. Okay, so you can see the same thing for 2 for /002. The same logic will happen because the specification is 5 for /002. Okay, so in the output you can see now the rate form. Okay, which we just discussed like that. Any questions?
Okay.
So these rates will be why we have multiple rates required is a business scenario, right? Let us say overtime will be paid in a you will take only basic into consideration. Let us say if you are paying some other things, you can your client may consider basic plus HR. Let us say if employee works on a holiday overtime, they will pay entire they will take entire components like whatever the components are. So that depends on the client. So by default, SAP had given two valuation wastage within the PCR. Okay, if required, you can copy these and you can enhance. Really, if it is required for rate calculation purpose. Okay, so once you got the rate, okay, these are the two things which you got the rate. Then you have a PCR called X015. Okay, which will actually evaluate your wastage. Okay, you can see many of the things which we couple of times we discussed, right? Like this is the place where we will get all the time relevant data. It can be from PDC, your time evaluation, from your cluster tables, or means it is from your time evaluation whatever or it can be from your remuneration info 2010. Okay, so
What?
finally your zlist function will generate all your time relevant you can say wastage. I think we have some example wastage you can see here, right? Some 7,000 the wastage. It was, I think it was maintained in 2010.
What is this PDC? If PDC?
Planned data collection, right?
Okay.
This is your time evaluation is active or not,
Okay.
right? It is basing on your input F7,
Okay.
right?
That.
Like your time management, your planned data time collection is active or not. If time evaluation is on, it will go to if not, it will go to else.
Okay. So
If
the
if you are
status
if I-
status should
yes,
be should not be 0 or 9, right? It should be 1, 2, or 7, right?
9 can happen.
9 can
9
happen. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
7 won't, right? 7 won't.
Yeah, 7.
9 or 1, or you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
say 2.
Okay, 1, 2, or 9. Yeah.
Yes, Vijay.
So what is the difference between 1 and n? That's what I was going to ask. What,
1
I
and
mean, both are time well, right? 1 and 9.
yes, yes. If you are using 9, okay, it won't, there is nothing required to maintain with 2011, okay, or 2002. Attendance is not required.
Oh,
T2000 function will come and it will create your work schedule as your attendance.
oh, that is 9. Oh,
Okay, 9 and 7 both.
Okay, it is for negative, right? Negative time pause.
Negative time.
Okay.
So that's what I'm just again telling the same thing. There are three things in time evaluation. Sorry, time management. Okay, one, time evaluation is on or not. Okay, so if time evaluation is not on, we are telling that we are not running time evaluation at all. That is called 0. Okay, the second part is, yes, we will run time evaluation. Then if you are using time evaluation only to generate the quotas, not for the waste time, then 7. Okay,
oh,
let us say you are generating the time wastage as well, but you don't want to maintain your clock in clock out time for each and every day. Okay, then 9.
oh,
Okay, let us say you want to record each and every clock in clock out time, then 1
oh.
or 2.
So if employee has 9 and there's no time entered in CAT or wherever, okay, then W40 evaluation will assign the time for all working days, like 8 hours or 10 hours, whatever the planned work is there.
CAT is upgrading 2002. Okay, that depends how you want to take it.
Ah, okay.
You want to mandate it, so you can go for 1. If you don't want to mandate it in time evaluation, you can go for 9. So if you are maintaining it as 9, even if you maintain 2002 or not, it won't check that. But it will process. See, what will happen, again we have to go back for time evaluation maybe. Like, see, when you, uh, if you people remember, we have first function is 2000, okay, for 9. Okay, let us say it had given a 9 hours, which is his regular work schedule, right? Then let us say if you maintain 2002, the function will be after this function. Okay, almost at the end. Ashwin, I think I will answer you. Okay, so let us say here we have a attendance of say 6 hours. This 6 will override this. Okay, let us say you have 10. The 10 will override this. Okay, so this will be a situation where if you are not having anything over here, so it will continue like 9 hours. But it is not mandatory. Let us say if you are giving 1, it will check 2011 here. So where there should be a mandate time over here. If not, it will throw up a error. Okay. Ashwin, CAT is a different concept where it comes majorly for timesheet approvals. That is a different process, and the clock in clock out is a different process. Okay, that is a punch in time. Different people will follow basing on their nature of business, we can say. Okay, let us say if you are working with a consulting company where you have to go to a project. Okay, there you have to take the approvals, right? You have to fill the timesheet, you have to get the approval. Let us say you are working in a manufacturing industry. Okay, every day whenever you are going to you know your current office, you have to swipe in and swipe out. So that depends. Okay, both are different solutions altogether. Nothing is mandatory, like tax is not mandatory, is business not required. Okay, 2011 you can, you have many of the standard interfaces. Okay, you can check with your BA guy or your technical guy how they can integrate to to your uh, what we say time machine. Okay. Okay. So what I want to explain here is, so these are all the time data we are getting, okay, from this. Okay, I will go in to this as well again. Okay, I will explain you because we have to run the time evaluation. Then I will show you once the ZL was generated. I will again show you. I don't. We already had this, but still we will have a repeat on this. Okay. So now today, my target is to explain how your rate will calculate and how it will multiply with your number of hours and it will get paid. Okay. So you can see many other things as well. If I'm going here, you can see this as well. Okay. As we discussed, I think Shweta, right? We have suppose
Yeah.
we have done some of the configurations. So the same hours what you maintain in 416 also will come and capture in your IT tech. Okay, as hours. Let us say example, let's say year 2010. Ideally, in the same way, you will get the leave encashment hours. Okay, see, you can't say hours. It can be say number. Okay, it can be days. Let us say if you are talking about leave encashment, it will be days. Again, you have to rework on that PCR. Okay. So now once you got it into X010, so in X010 I will just open the PCR and you know there are many of the standard operations used in this particular PCR. So I think I will instead of explaining the PCR I will explain you the functionality of the PCR. Okay, so there are standard operations used. Okay, like valuation basis and all this stuff. Okay, so there are remaining things. So I don't think this is a worth reading all this stuff, but I will explain you the functionality of this. Okay. So what exactly X010 will do is it will just check with your uh, valuation table, which is uh, v underscore python w underscore b, which is the valuation table. So that VLBS operation will come here and it will check your valuation basis for your wage type. Let us say now we are getting a wage type called 700. So here we can have a different kinds of valuation. Okay. Let us say this is the valuation one. Okay. So here as of now, if you see here, nothing was maintained. Okay. If you see here, for this particular wage type, 700. Okay. It won't get valuated. Wait a minute. Still the wage type was not valuated. Why? Because it is the valuation basis was not maintained. Okay, if you see the valuation basis, you have valuation basis for the current wage type. Okay, you can have a derived wage type 1 and 2 option over here. Okay, if you want to derived wage type, so you can say let us say there is a wage type where employee works for more than 2 hours, right? We should pay a 50% additional thing to the employee. Okay, so at that time you will get a derived wage type system. Okay, we'll take one of the example for that. Okay, let us say now I will just go through that F1. Okay, documentation. Here itself everything was mentioned. Okay, like what will be the use of this particular system. So let us say you have this NN stands for your /001 and 002. Okay, valuation using valuation basis. In payroll, if you are telling valuation basis, okay, that is /001 and 002. Here in the example you can see /0 then followed by NN. Okay, so that is the place. So let us say if this wage type should be valuated with the rate which is stored in /001, you can give 01. Okay, you can can tell the percentage, say 100. Okay, so now ideally what it should happen now is, if you see the Excel, right, this is the rate, so your 10 hours, I think it is 10 hours, so your 10 hours should be multiplied with this particular rate, and it should be paid with 797. So we'll just reprocess and we'll see how it was evaluating if we change it to 0. Okay, I will just open the output. Right. So what happened? This is the rate interest stored in /001, because in the table which made it as 01, so you got it 10 and you are getting paid 10. Okay. I'll just show you few of the quick examples changing the table and we'll see the output. Okay. Okay. Let us say I want to pay it with a different rate. Okay. This is the purpose. Okay. I can give a different rate step over there. Right. So instead of 0700, I got this. Right. That is the purpose of. Okay, you can put a different wage tab. Let us say this is a wage tab, let us say, where you have to pay 150%. Means even if his rate is, 700 per hour rate, client wants to, because this overtime was generated due to, uh, late night shift, or you can say overtime hours worked on holiday. So client have a policy like they want to pay 200%, for example, or we'll take a 150%. Okay, so the one part is you can put 150% over here. Okay, with one OVR. Okay, so if you run the time evaluation, it will be, you can see the calculation, it will be 150%. Right, so it was get as 150%. Like I said, this is, if you can say this into 150%, right? Same rate you got will be multiplied with this 10 hours. Okay, and it will get paid. Okay, let us say now we have a different client wants to be a generated derived wage tab. Now client want to pay their employee, like in the payslip, or the things they want to process, like I want to show the employee how much additional I am paying instead of a clocked one. Okay, I want to show 100% and I want to show additional 50% I want to pay with a different rate. Okay, so then you can use the derived function. So now we will put a 50% over here. Again with the 01 rate, we can put say 2 OVR. You can create your own, okay, based on the requirement, the wage tab, and then you will give the remaining percentage. It can be 100 or it can be 50%, whatever you want. Now if you run, see, it should generate one OVR and two OVR with the different, what we say, uh, right. If you see here, this is a standard one which was generated, and this is the 50% of rate. Ideally, you can generate 3 wage tabs as well, means maximum. If something requirement really is there more than that, still you can manage to do with this way. Okay. And not only, see here I explained only about the NN part. Okay. So in the coming classes, we'll just discuss another couple of examples. Okay. Let us say wage tab should be evaluated with a constant. Okay. any attachment in 5 times J, okay, with that particular waste step, and you can use K. This is not the big actually this thing. You can go through documentation and you can work. Still we'll go for one or two. Any questions until now? Okay, I think tomorrow session will generate some couple of time-based tests. Okay, and we'll try to do the same exercise for those things, evaluating those waste types. Okay, so apart from that, what we will do is, you know, instead of using the standard X010, X013, and X015, just we'll try to